Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am telling a head boy or head girl thank you speech. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Head boy or head girl thank you speech. Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. I am truly honored and deeply grateful to be elected as your head boy or head girl. This title is not just a badge, it's a commitment to lead with integrity, to listen with empathy, and to act with purpose. Thank you for trusting me with this responsibility. Your support means the world to me, and I promise to give my best every single day. To me, leadership is not about giving others, it's about setting an example, encouraging others, and lifting each other up. I believe each one of us has unique strengths, and together we can create a positive, inclusive, and inspiring environment. Let's work as a team, support each other, and make our school a place where every voice matters and every effort counts. I am excited for what lies ahead, and I am ready to face every challenge with courage and commitment. Thank you once again for your trust. Let's make this year one to remember for the right reasons. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.